Hello, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Leah.
And we're here at Fine & Country in a fantastic property, Grendisworthy Farm.
As you can see behind us is this beautiful, imposing 4-bedroom farmhouse.
And we'd love to show you. Let's go and have a look.
Come on in. So here we are inside the property. This light and airy entrance hall welcomes you in. So come and have a look at all the rooms that this property has to offer.
The property has an abundance of reception spaces. This is the primary living room, which you can understand why our clients spend a lot of time in here. I absolutely love this floor-to-ceiling fireplace behind me. It's got stone and brick and a roaring wood-burning stove filling the room with atmosphere. There's also an oil-fired Aga to the side as well.
And look at this beautiful kitchen. It's got modern surfaces with quartz worktops and a range of appliances, including Bosch and Smeg. So we've got electric oven and an induction hob, as well as a dishwasher. They've also maintained the lovely character with the beams and also the beautiful high ceilings.
And for those who love to entertain, how about this for a formal dining room? It's massive.
Oh, I was miles away there looking at the beautiful view across Dartmoor.
And let's have a look at the bedrooms. We have 4 of them, all doubles. This is the principal bedroom. And again, we've got this theme of height, volume, beautiful A-frame ceilings. And this particular room has a walk-in dressing area, fully fitted out with hanging space and shelving. It also has an ensuite shower room with a larger than average shower, beautifully appointed throughout.
The family bathroom is light, airy, as well as being spacious. It has a modern feel, but it has the benefit of the character with the beams and high ceilings. There's a freestanding bath and shower in here.
As well as a traditional range of character, from top to bottom, the property also has a range of modern comforts, including oil-fired central heating, as well as a biomass backup, ornate radiators, and is fully UPVC double glazed. In some of the rooms on the ground floor, the property benefits further from electric underfloor heating. For additional storage, there is also a cellar which has a good level of head height and separate storage areas. Our clients have lived here for a few years, and during that time have engineered a fantastic campaign of modernising, renovating this home to an exceptional standard. Every attention to detail has been considered in the project. And what I really love about this property is the huge number of big buildings, both traditional and purpose-built, offering a great range of potential for possible business use, residential, and income. It really is a fantastic element of this home.
Come and take a look at this.
Wow, look at the size of this barn.
So much potential in here. You could play a game of football, exercise your horses. There's so much that you could do in here. The property is surrounded by approximately 17 acres. This field behind us, as you can see, has been used for crops in the past, but there's also many other uses, including equestrian and livestock.
And to round it off, at the back of the property, we've got yet more buildings, workshops and storage. And on my left here, the owners have constructed a really high quality double garage with motorised roller door, power and light. So how about it? If this is a lifestyle that appeals to you,
then please contact us at Fine & Country Launceston on 015 66 77 1919.